Hello! Today, we will learn to speak with power. Good timing is very important.
Let's write down our goals.
First, always remember to smile. Who here Lee? Drink water to stay ready. Stand up straight and tall. As porst du wall. Look at the person you are talking to. Use your hands, or fingers, your hands, to help. Explain. Speak every sound slowly. The th sound is tricky. Tricky. But relax your body and mind. Breathe in, breathe out. Reading helps you find new words. I am a great speaker.
Record yourself and listen.
Mistakes are okay. Be brave.
Take small steps every day. Every day.
Language grows over time. Think in English every day.
Listening is just as important.
Move with energy when you talk. Celebrate your wins. You can cause do this.
Talk to a friend for 5 minutes. Concentrate on the meaning.
Don't stop when it gets hard. Learning can be fun. Humor helps you relax.
Enjoy your learning journey.
Look good to feel good. Who wore? Yes, that is a good point. Believe in yourself, always. Fun. Speak English with a smile. Ball. Eat healthy for a sharp mind.
Break big goals into small pieces.
Into small pieces. Study even in the evening. You finished the lesson.
Keep your notes organized.
It is raining cats and dogs. Flashcards are very helpful. Match your face to the word. Hu, fei. Think. About. The. Rules. Try to talk to everyone. Hi, how are you today? Hi.
Fresh air helps me think.
The wind is soft today. Sing while you work. Work. I love my family. Friends are so special.
The house is very quiet.
I like this book. The mountain is very tall. I am a little sleepy.
The sun is going down.
Tea is good for rest. The water is boiling. This is a warm hug. I'd love to remote play. I love my family. We had a great day. The bed looks very soft. See you in the morning. Good night to everyone. Being happy is easy.